Hello students, your today's topic is test for acidity and alkalinity. You know that a solution is said to be acidic when it contains hydrogen ion or hydronium ion in solution and it turns blue litmus into red. And a solution is said to be basic or alkaline when it contains hydroxide ion or when it turns red litmus blue. It means acidic and basic nature of a solution depends on the presence of hydronium ion or hydroxide ion solution. In case of water, concentration of hydronium ion and concentration of hydroxide ion both are equal and water is said to be neutral. It means it does not change the color of litmus paper or color of indicator, because in water concentration of hydronium ion and hydroxide both are equal. As the concentration of hydronium ion increases, means when the concentration of hydronium ion in any of the solution becomes larger than the concentration of hydroxide ion, then solution becomes acidic. Acidic solution is obtained. And when concentration of hydronium ion is less than the concentration of hydroxide ion, solution becomes alkaline or basic. Okay, it means acidic nature or basic nature of a solution can be expressed with the help of concentration of hydronium ion and hydroxide ion in solution. Okay, the expression of concentration of hydronium ion and hydroxide ion can be best explained by Sorensen, and he explained that negative log to the base 10 of hydrogen ion or hydronium ion is called pH. P means potent means power, and H is hydrogen ion concentration. Means power of hydrogen ion concentration is called pH, and it is defined as negative log to the base 10 of hydrogen ion or hydronium ion is called pH. It can also be defined as pH equal to minus log base 10 hydronium ion concentration. This is the exact definition of pH. Similarly, pOH can also be defined as minus log OH ion concentration. Means negative log of the hydronium ion concentration to the base 10 is called pH, and negative log of hydroxide ion concentration to the base 10 is called pOH. Okay, a solution can be identified as acid or base by the use of this concept, means pH. A solution is said to be neutral when pH equal to 7. When pH equal to 7, this is what? Neutral solution. When pH is greater than 7, solution becomes alkaline or basic. Basic or alkaline. And when pH is less than 7, solution becomes acidic. Acidic solution. Okay, means a solution in which pH value, a solution of pH value 7 is called neutral solution. As the pH value increases, solution becomes basic and basic, or alkaline and alkaline becomes more alkaline. And as the solution decreases, pH of solution decreases from 7 to 0, solution becomes acidic and acidic. And this can be expressed on a scale known as pH scale. This is pH scale. 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. This is called pH scale. In this scale, this is pH equal to 7, which is for neutral solution, and this concentration, hydronium ion concentration, equal to hydroxide ion concentration. That's why solution becomes neutral solution. Okay, as the pH decreases, acidic strength increases. Means acidic nature increases. As the pH increases, basic nature increases. Okay, as the pH decreases, acidic nature increases. As the pH increases, basic nature increases. When pH equal to 7, solution is acidic. In these solutions, in acidic solution, hydronium ion concentration is greater than hydroxide ion concentration, and in basic solution, hydroxide ion concentration is greater than hydronium ion concentration. Okay, this is one method used for expressing acidity or alkalinity of solution. Second method used for the expression of acidity and alkalinity of solution is universal indicator. With the help of universal indicator, one can explain or one can predict the acidic and basic nature of a solution. This figure explains color change in the universal indicator for different pH values. When pH of a solution is equal to 1, color of universal indicator becomes red. Means red color of universal indicator indicates that pH of the solution is 1, that is strong acidic solution. Okay, as the pH of solution increases, its color changes from red to pink, pink to yellow, yellow to green, green to blue, blue to indigo, and finally violet. Means if the color of universal indicator in a solution becomes violet, it means solution is strongly basic in nature. Okay, if the color of universal indicator becomes green from any of the solution, it means this solution is neutral. In this solution, H ion concentration equal to OH ion concentration, and in these solutions, hydronium ion concentration is greater than hydroxide ion concentration, and in these solutions, OH ion concentration is greater than hydronium ion concentration. This is the way used to test for acidity and alkalinity of acids and bases. That's all. Thank you.